my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited, and here is your weekly technical analysis of Chicago wheat and corn. I'll start with Chicago wheat. The two major patterns I saw last time before my annual leave are no longer valid. The bearish halfway hesitation for potential target X in the 586 area, well, the market tried down towards it 2 weeks ago, but the turnaround back up Monday last week with a large bullish engulfing pattern put paid to that. Likewise, the bearish shift pitchfork for the May to June move was also as dispatched by the same action on that Monday. I'll retire both patterns after this commentary. That Monday last week really started something. You see, it's not just the almost weekly key reversal up that we nearly had last week. It is the current ongoing pattern that it has started. What I mean is that with a week to go, we are on the verge of making a monthly key reversal for July. If we close next Friday the 30th either over 680 or under 667, then we'd be on. Anything in between and we'd have the lesser outside month. Now, right now we are looking at a possible monthly key reversal up in July, but there's plenty that can happen between now and next Friday. And just look at the last week. Topside, we have immediate resistances at the October 2013 high at 721 and the March 2014 high at 725, as well as the nearby June high at 708. Below? Well, below we have a raft of supports. But seeing how quickly the rally happened last week, I have suspicions about the value of all of them. Nevertheless, we have support at the January high at 693, the recent 50% Fibonacci line at 681, the short medium moving average currently 677, the absolute 50% Fibonacci line at 675, the Fibonacci line, the 50% Fibonacci line for 2012-2015 at 670, the medium moving average currently at 668, and the long moving average at 647. Quite a lot there actually. As I said, the value may be diminished. Right now this week we've seen a seemingly welcome period of hesitation after last week's run up. It will be interesting to see where we end up next week. Chicago corn. 4 weeks ago I spoke about how the 2021 uptrend, currently at 558, was and still is an important uptrend. I'd highlighted 8 weeks ago and then again 5 weeks ago its role as a supportive uptrend, but not really as a supportive uptrend, but as another form of uptrend using a bearish pattern. I was and still am looking at this uptrend to act in a more significant role for a possible bearish bump and run reversal top pattern, even though it's quite extended now. Even now, we may or may not be seeing the opportunity for a move lower. The key will be, as I said 7 weeks ago, and I quote, if it turns out to be a bearish bump and run reversal top, then we'd also see a pullback up, which we have done, but then a turnaround back down and a possible fast move lower, especially if we move below the 520 level. And so it'll be interesting to see how far the pullback goes and if the market stays pulled back. We were then approaching the key 520 level, but we bounced up again, seemingly negating the idea of the reversal top. However, the bounce was a forced one due to changeover, and 2 weeks ago prices tried down to the key 520 level. This time the support around there, the combined 2014 high and the 61.8% absolute Fibonacci level at 525 and the May 2014 high at 522 were bolstered by the rising long moving average, which you can see coming in from the left at currently 526. That had entered the frame. Yet the rally back up was halted by that same broken but still significant 2021 uptrend, and right now the market is carefully testing lower. That's towards the long moving average as well. If, and it is still a big if prices move down and then accelerate below 520, then we could still see a possible target X down in the 450 area. A lot depends on what the market will finally do. Thank you for listening. This weekly broadcast gives you essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.